Hey, hey, good morning, Facebook. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Jason Brown here, coming live, hopping on real quick on this beautiful Wednesday here in Oregon. If you are able to join me live, please say hello. Let me know you're here. Let me know where you're from. It's going to be fairly quick, so if you catch this replay, just let me know you made it and give me a hashtag replay. Let me know that. That would be awesome. Excuse me. Sorry, I lost my voice a little bit yesterday coaching, but I'm on here again. It's Wednesday. Going to be a quick live to just share the excitement that's still brewing, if you will. This platform that we've got going. We have our weekly Wednesday live coming on this evening, 7 o'clock Eastern Time, 6 Central, 4 Pacific. For those of you that are different time zones. Those of you across the world, international opportunity, everyone's welcome. Just stop in, see what we got going on, see what the hype's about. Not hype, we're hyped up, but it's all about excitement. And lots of excitement with what we're doing in this program. And we'd love to have you check it out, and we'd love to have you just observe and hear some great testimonies, hear what it is, what the platform's about, hear how there's been over $80,000 in commissions paid out in just the first eight weeks of this platform. Hear how we're doubling and tripling the number of people that are getting involved every day. And it's just an outstanding opportunity and something that I feel very fortunate, as well as all of my teammates, to be involved in. And I don't want to give too much here. As I mentioned, this is going to be quick, but we'd love to have you join us. So the information to sign up is in my story. As far as how to get registered and join us on the webinar. Again, you can just observe. Nobody needs to participate. Watch and learn and get yourself excited as well. Excuse me. And then additionally, I'll put the information in my comments. If you have any questions, if you've been watching already and you're ready for more information or you're ready to get started, shoot me a message. If you just want to chat, shoot me a message. You want to see what's going on. If you can't make the webinar, we definitely have replays all the time. So just hit me up, let me know, and I look forward to seeing you there. Give me a shout out if you're there. So again, Jason Brown from Oregon, Wednesday webinar, 7 Eastern Time. Find the information to sign up in my story. I'll also drop it below in the comments, and let me know you're here. Appreciate it. All right, we'll see you tonight. Thanks, Jason Brown. I'm out.